Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you stay tuned till the end of this video. At the end, I've got a bonus laundry life hack. Let's go. Ryan here for Silly Reviews, and I've got a life hack for you, a laundry life hack. You can see here I've got a jug of free and clear hypoallergenic laundry detergent. You seem to be able to find this stuff always on sale no matter what the brand is. I don't know why, but if you like your laundry to smell good, if you don't have any allergies to worry about, I'm going to show you how to ditch the high cost, the expensive laundry boosters that like Arm & Hammer, Gain, and Snuggle, and you're going to go with a more natural, a more hippie approach. That's right. You can scent your unscented laundry detergent on the cheap with essential oils. I've got a variety, but my favorite, we're going to use the lavender essential oil. Link in the description, okay? So the first thing you're going to want to do is pop that top. Boop bop! Once you got that top popped, you're going to grab the scent of the essential oil that you like. Again, we're using the lavender essential oil. Link in the description. And we're just going to liberally add 1, 2, I don't know, 50 drops. Pretend you have blue hair and don't let it stop. Piercing. You already popped the top. Keep going. Give it another 50 drops. Stick it to big laundry. This stuff is inexpensive. It's high quality. It smells great. Splurge a little bit. That's like 150 drops. Boop bop. Right there. Lavender essential oil. Now, I want you guys to get a big old whiff. Turn on your scent vision on your iPhone 50, on your Android Galaxy 25. And smell it. Smells great, right? Thumbs up. Double thumbs up. Next thing to do is just go ahead and get this shit out of here, because I believe in you and I know that you can be more creative than this.
Hold up. Wait a minute, hold up.
It's time to dig in the fridge. That's right. Lavender and flower fields aren't the only scents that the human nose appreciates. We love the aroma of food. Think about when you walk into the lobby of your favorite restaurant. What do? You take a big old whiff of what that chef is cooking. Why not add that to your laundry detergent? So go ahead and get creative. Put some ketchup in there. How about some steak sauce? Go ahead and put some rice vinegar in there, hibachi style. Put in there Worcestershire, Tony Chachere's, wasabi. More of that Asian persuasion. Just drip it on in there. People are gonna love it.
Hold up.
What about farts? People apparently love the smell of farts, and believe me, I've researched it. What the fuck? Hey, just go ahead and rip some ass right in that bottle of detergent. They're gonna love it.
Three, 2, 1.
Now hold up now. I told you to wait until the end. This is the bonus laundry life hack. Add some xanthane gum to your laundry detergent. It's going to thicken it. It's a thickening agent. It's going to make you feel like you have double, even triple the laundry detergent. Make it last. I'm Ryan for Silly Reviews. I hope you enjoyed this. Please go ahead, like, subscribe, share. Do you have a laundry hack that you use? Leave it in the comments. Everybody wants to know. Again, Ryan for Silly Reviews. Thank you for watching.